Hello everyone, welcome to another AutoCAD video. Today we are going to be looking at how to make 3D models in AutoCAD. So last time in the beginner course you would have seen how to make 2D models and 2D drawings. So this time we are going into 3D. So to start up, first we need to change our workspace into a 3D workspace. To do that, go to the settings option below here, click on it, and you can see a 3D modeling option here. If you click on that, you'll get all the settings you need to do 3D modeling. So let's start. So the first options are basically your typical normal elements such as boxes, cylinders, cones, which you can just click on them and just draw however you like. So if I want to draw a box like this, we can draw it like this. Since now it's showing a top view, it won't show up as 3D. So in order to do that, we need to change the viewing angle by clicking on the compass direction here, and now you can see it's in 3D. Right now it is in wireframe mode, so in order to change that, you need to change the 2D wireframe view in the left side corner here. So this is how you can change the visual style of your models. So if I change this to realistic, now you have a more realistic 2D model. So this is the same for all the other pre-made 3D models, where you can just go in and click whatever you need and just draw it on. So okay, so what if you need a more different model? Like let's say you are gonna be like draw a triangle or something like this, and you want to make that into 3D. So first of all, you need to join them. After you join them, you click on extrude, and when you click on extrude, you can click on it, enter, and there you go. You can just create your own custom 3D models by using extrude. In extrude, you have like multiple other options like loft, revolve, and sweep. Loft basically makes it look like a cone by combining multiples of your drawings, and revolve basically revolves a drawing around a point. So if I have a straight line here and then a curve outside, you can use the revolve option to revolve around it. So I am drawing a curve, so go to revolve, select object to revolve. So this is the object I want to revolve, press enter, and then you click on the axis, and there you go. That's your revolve option. And you can change it to 360 here and press enter, and there you are. You have your revolved 3D object. So this is basically how extrude works, or this extrude option works. Sweep is the same thing, only thing it goes through the line you have made. Then you have polysolids. Polysolids are basically just lines which become solids, which you can make to be like walls or something, as you can say. So polysolids, click on this line, and as you can see, there's a wall there. So yeah, you can change how much thickness and stuff you need in the settings and the command settings below there, but basically this is a gist of it. As you can see here, I just built a wall. Anyways, hopefully these first handy tools are helpful for you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
To obtain a course completion certificate, visit our site and finish the rest of the course video. Sign up or sign in, choose your level, watch the video and take the quiz. Finish all the quiz to unlock the final quiz and get your certificate. Happy learning!